Okay, welcome back to Basin Motorsports. Tonight I'm out measuring for custom wheels on the wide body Mustang I'm building called White Fox. So when you're searching for wheels, a lot of times you're going to have to ask yourself if you want a staggered or a square fit on the wheels. Now if you don't know the difference, a square fitment means that every wheel and tire is going to be the same size on all four corners of the car. So the rears will be the same size as the fronts, and the lefts will be the same size as the rights. On a staggered fitment, what you're looking at is probably a smaller front and a larger rear. Now some of the advantages obviously of a square wheel are that they're going to be interchangeable, and rotation front to back or back to front, side to side is going to be pretty easy to do. Now, if your tires are directional to where they only go one way, you probably aren't going to switch them left to right, but you can definitely switch them front to rear. A staggered set of wheels and tires is probably not going to be rotational, meaning you're not going to put a larger wheel from the back onto the front and a smaller from the front on the back. A lot of times that's going to cause some rubbing, and it's going to be difficult to make things fit and interchange front to rear. Now you're probably asking yourself, why would I want to do a staggered set of wheels if I can't rotate them? It's going to kind of depend on you, but if you're doing more of a track theme or something that maybe you're not getting a lot of miles out of that you're worried about rotating them, doing a staggered set may give you the opportunity to maximize the width of tire and wheel on the front or the rear. So on a Mustang like this, a lot of times you can run a 245 or a 255 series tire in the front and a 275 upwards of a 300 millimeter tire in the rear. Now that's going to maximize the wheel and tire width inside the wheel well itself and still give you the ability to turn on the front. So it's kind of up to you on what you want to do between a staggered and a square fitment. Now, if you have any questions, there's a lot of great information out there on the internet, but this time I give it back to you. What are you running? And the next set of wheels, what are you looking for? Are you looking for a staggered or a square fit? We'll see you next time from Basin Motorsports.